Manage your contacts and their details from a single location in your pdfFiller account. Go to the Contacts tab in the pdfFiller dashboard to see all your saved contacts. pdfFiller automatically saves the contacts you interact with, but you can also add them manually. Select any contact to view their details or send a document for review or e-signature in seconds. Simply choose a document and how you want to share it, write an accompanying message, and hit send. You can edit any contact's details at any time and save them for future reference. pdfFiller also allows you to track activities associated with specific contacts, the documents you've exchanged, and audit trails so that you have all the information you need in one place.